is. And when I go through this stuff back there, I find new stuff. I find stuff I don't remember.
Buenos días, papá. Mira lo que encontré. Esta es la casa de el amigo de Mike, se llama John. Y tiene un montón de carritos y él los compone. Aquí hacen los milagros. Y luego los vende en eBay. Este carrito que está aquí le costó $5, pero lo vende por 50. Qué suave, ¿verdad? Le gusta mucho colectar estos redondos.
Well, we went through the top part of it in Amarillo when we went back.
This one.
Yeah, and a lot of
Look
windows.
at that. Look at these one there.
You ever see them being shipped for just one farm? Yeah, 70 feet long.
Look at that, Dad.
I have a dash cam in my car, so I got pictures of things like that, either going by or waiting on the side.
Don't forget to check these out too, Liz. Show them those.
So él los compone y luego los vende. Qué suave, ¿no?
Those ones are waiting to be
Fixed, right?
gotten rid of.
See a really rare Volkswagen
Look at
van
that one.
back there.
I know. Look at that, beautiful.
Another van with the sunroof on it.
Oh, that's a new one.
Is it?
Yeah, they just came out with that. It's a super fast.
Oh,
It's got opening doors like the old one, but it's kind of clunky. It's not as smooth. I have all the
look
old
at
ones,
this.
of course.
Oh, wow,
Red
this is a
wheel, black
nice
wheel.
one.
High roof, low roof, open
Yeah, that's
roof.
right. You were into fine. You were looking for wheels. Did you ever go back the next day?
But no, because that same day,
Yeah.
I saw this couple who had a box of cars. They would only sell it for $30.
So
They
está
wouldn't have
arreglando su
opened it. They wouldn't have like
casa
Yeah.
y va a ponerlo todo en orden aquí en el...
And I'm like, I'm not gonna go bum money off of Mike and friends. So I'll go back. And then I was like, I gotta
Oh,
find
y
out
encontramos
where they
una
are.
tortuga
I went
también.
back, I couldn't find them. So,
It's hard to find people. But the next time you get their business card,
or I look on
so
the
you
ground and
can,
see
you can
that.
text them.
Yeah, but they also have on the ground
Mira
those
qué
little white
suave.
things with the numbers on them. That's what lot he's in.
Okay.
That's what space he's in. I should have done that.
Los
Yeah,
compone y
Getting
los
the card is
vende.
even better.
Because I got, when I
Anyways,
bought her this
se
ring,
parece al cuarto de
I got the
el
guy
mío,
from
¿verdad?
Reading,
Donde tengo todas mis joyas.
New Jersey, I think.
Eso es lo que pasa con los
Told me
artistas,
about all these Italian restaurants
que
and
tenemos
stuff
así
down there.
todo puesto para que se mire y nos inspiren. Ok, papá, lo quiero mucho, familia. Adiós.
You see it back here, Liz? Those are all extra cars and stuff in those boxes.
I know.
Have never been opened.
Todas esas cajas están cerradas,
No
están
wonder
llenas
he
de
doesn't know what
carritos.
he has.
Soon, you
Show that
will.
Volkswagen up there on top
I know,
of the
I put
boiler.
it there.
That's a Buddy L.
That's a Buddy L.
Es Buddy L. Ok.
Yeah.
Este es un Buddy L, mire.
This, John, that is nice.
Qué suave, ¿no? Bueno, lo quiero mucho, papá. Nos vemos.